Here's how to add a music bot to your Discord server. So first, go to discord.com, log into your account, and access the channel or the server where you want to add the music bot. You'll need to be the server owner or have the necessary permissions required. Now in the top left corner, click on the server name, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Server Settings. Go to the Apps section and select App Directory. Search for the bot called GreenBot. You can click on the search bar in the top right and type in GreenBot and search for it. Once you find the bot, select it. Select Add App option. And here, select the server. Click on this drop-down menu. Select your server. And then select Continue, which is highlighted in blue color. Scroll down, select Authorize, which is also highlighted in blue color. Go through the verification and you'll be done. You'll get a message that GreenBot has been authorized and added to your specific server that you selected. Now select Go to the server and you'll see the GreenBot appear on your server chat. GreenBot lets you do many things, including playing music. You can join a voice channel, then in a text channel, type /play followed by the song that you want to play and its artist. If you want to add more music to the queue, type /play again and add another song, then hit enter, and the music will be instantly played on your Discord server. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.